Hello guys, my name is Cyrus and today I am going to post an article with the help of ChatGPT. Here you can see that I have asked ChatGPT to give me a post title for PS5. So here you can see that. So the ChatGPT has write down an article with the title PS5, a revolutionary step in gaming technology. So let's post it inside my website blog post section. So here is my dashboard. So post add new. ChatGPT is quite helpful for me, and when I hear about ChatGPT 4, it make me so excited. But it's a paid version. So for now, so in this video we will also learn how to use Elementor. So first of all, after title, I will choose the category. It's the feature, general, reviews, technology news. So I will make it publish. I will copy the article. I will add it with Elementor. So it will take me to the front end of the website or the post pay section. So let it keep loading. And what about you people? So here it is. I am going to add a section, one row. Then I will add text editor inside it. I will write in the search bar. So here is the text editor. I will simply drag and drop it here. So you can see that here I have to paste my article. So you can see its result here. So I will change my headings. I will turn it to H2. Then I will turn it to H3. And I will turn these to bold. You can see that the output on the right side of the section of the page. You can see that all the changes that I am making are visible on its front end editor. So I will turn all my headings to bold. So here it is. So before the conclusion section, I want to add my product of PS5 here. So I will copy it. Will update. I will add one more row, one more text editor. I will place it here. We'll put up content here and update. So here is my post. So I want to add one more section here. I want to add product here. We'll see in the next video.